Hey guys, Maximum Cubing here. Today I'm here with my friend Gus.
Hey guys, what's up?
And we are going to do a speed cubing competition. Well, it's not really speed cubing because we average around 40 seconds. We're not like 14-second solvers. But it's our first video and we just wanted to make the video to show you guys what we can do, and maybe if we keep this channel going for long enough, we can maybe look back and see how slow we were and do a reacting to our old videos video.
Alright, so I will scramble it for AJ first, and AJ will walk out of the room.
See ya.
Okay, so are you ready to get over here? Okay.
Gotta cough first.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What was that?
Eight seconds. 12 seconds.
Oh jeez, I just lost my spot. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here we go. "58 seconds. That was not very good at all.
Alright, now you scramble it for me and I'll walk out of the room.
Okay, go away. Okay, you can come out now. Okay, are you ready? You ready?
Yep.
Okay, inspection time starts now. Ten seconds. Oh, okay.
So that's it for our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe and comment if what you want us to do in our next video. We'll try to post at least maybe once a week, maybe more if we can, but we're not going to make any promises. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.